Hey, what's up, guys? So, I am going to see who I am going to read for today. If no zodiac comes out, then we'll just go with the collective read. And as always, thank you guys for taking time out to watch my channel. I really, really appreciate the support. If you like the video and it resonates, please give your girl a thumbs up if you don't mind. And just, try to, I'm picking up, just try to stay in a high vibration, and don't let people pull you into a bad vibration. There's so many people that are vibrating in such a low place right now. So just try not to. All right. Then I look down and I have integrity. So do not let anybody make you waver from your integrity. And we know the King of Wands talks about integrity. All right. So what else? What else do we have? And you know what? I look down at the deck. People are mad because you are a pioneer, meaning you stand the hell up for what you believe in. You don't waver. You say, this is what it is. But I feel like it's from a good place. You know what I mean? It's not a bad thing. You're no pushover. You're no pushover, and you don't allow people to violate your rights. Okay? So it's some about some rights here that's been violated by someone or some group of people. That's what I'm getting. Somebody has been violated. Violated. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is, hold on. Yeah. This person has been violated by a group of people. So, verse zodiac that came out was Capricorn. Capricorn, you guys have been popping out all over the freaking place. You guys are freaking busy. Okay. So, you are Capricorn. Okay. So, what? Clarify pioneer, please. It's Capricorn. This is in front of integrity. So, pioneer. Clarify pioneer. Is there another zodiac sign that needs to come out with the pioneer? Is there another one? Is there another zodiac sign? Is there another zodiac that needs to come out? Is there another zodiac that needs to come out with pioneer? Why is somebody getting you to try to... Somebody has made you jeopardize, or somebody has made you put your integrity in question here. It's being questioned. You're a pioneer. Why would you... No. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Spirit, please, for the integrity and the pioneer for for Capricorn. I don't know why. Calvin. I don't know what that name. Alright. Anything spirit, because I'll shuffle. What is, clarify the pioneer, please. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Great actor. So, okay. Am I, maybe a Capricorn, maybe I'm talking to an actor that's a Capricorn. And I don't know all the actor zodiacs. That's the thing, I don't. I'm sorry, guys, I wish I did. So, Capricorn, you guys came back out. My goodness. Alright. Okay. Spirit, please clarify integrity on the spread. What is integrity? What does integrity stand for cards of resistance? Okay. They didn't go together again. Alright. Please, Spirit, give me, what is integrity? Integrity. Alright, so integrity is the Page of Pentacles. So there's going to be some type of good news, some type of investment. Which, Capricorn, you came out in your own reading. So you're setting goals, you're developing a plan, and yeah, you are going to get what you want because you are a pioneer. You are learning something, studying, growing, hard work, because you are committed to it. Clarify the pioneer, please. Clarify the pioneer for Capricorn. Yep, things are coming to fruition for you. Things are coming to fruition. You are making investments. However, you guys may have been suffering from some type of anxiety with the Nine of Swords. You may have been having nightmares, or, you know, just because you've been at your breaking point. And are you trying to get some type of acting job, or you've been going to different gigs and no one has paid notice to you? Not yet, but boom, King of Wands came out. This King of Wands, which is a energetic, and they are experienced person, or you need to be more energetic, and you have the experience that you need. You just need to go in there and you need to show out. Show up and show out is what I'm getting, because you have the intellectual wisdom and knowledge, the truth, to be able to become this great actor. You have the characteristics of, you to have integrity. So you may have Sagittarius somewhere in your zodiac. You are really getting ready to get your shine on. You know what I'm saying? However, like I said, this has caused you a bunch of anxiety, a bunch of worry, because you have the vision and nobody's listening to you. Nobody's listening. Nobody's believing in you. So it has caused you a lot of mental anguish. You know, I don't know. And for women, if you are the zodiac of Capricorn, maybe some of you guys have unfortunately had like a miscarriage. I'm picking up something of that nature. Then we have the Three of Swords, which talks about you need to release the pain, move on from it, and overcome your depression, forgiveness. And then, but you are so, you're not aware. You keep going through the same karmic cycle over and over again because of your actions. So you can change your energy and you can definitely become this person, but not until you stop the same old behavior. Okay? Clarify the judgment. You need to make this karma right. Whatever you did, you need to fix it to get to, or are they saying you are a great actor? You full of caca. Let's see. It's like a mixed energy. Then we have the death. New beginnings. You're letting go of something. Well, maybe you're letting go of the heartache and pain that you have suffered. Okay. Yeah, because it's caused you conflicts. You've been fighting and arguing over this. You know what I'm saying? But the Chariot, upright, victory, overcoming obstacle, success. And then you've had some temporary financial hardships, which is, you know, could be due to something that you concocted up on your own. You brought this energy your way, so make it right, Capricorn. Make it right, and then you'll get all your heart's desires, but you got to make it right. All right, so let's see, what is the fortune telling? I'm gonna pull out of y'all energy right now. The fortune telling for my Capricorn. What is their message? Surprise. A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. So there it is. That's why I said it's a karmic, something karmic. You got to fix it. Once you fix it, you'll be good to go. Your energy will change like that instantly. All right. So that's what I have for my Capricorns. I appreciate you guys as always. Love you guys to the moon, to the stars, back down to the universe. And please, 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 thumbs up if the video resonates. Peace.